Hanging out today at Quest Academy, where they are a model school. There's only 7 in the nation that fit that model, and Quest happens to be just one of them. Here with Principal Nikki Slaw. Tell me, why do you Quest? Because that seems to be the big question of the day.
Well, basically because we have a focus on every student, every day, whatever it takes. So I Quest because of our students. But what makes us different is if you teach to the average, you produce average, right? So we want to take a different approach. I kind of feel like I'm a bird in a cage, and I feel like I wanted to create an environment where all of our students didn't have to feel trapped like that. Not a one-size-fits-all program, right? All of our students can feel free and fly and learn at their own pace and actually choose how they want to learn at Quest.
Now, if you look behind it, here's how you can choose you want to learn, from the stream table to the science show to I Like Books, Circle Time, Watch in 4K, and Simulation Lab. So these are different models of students who can learn at their own pace.
Yeah, so they basically, when they come into class, the teachers will create a variety of ways that they can learn based on what they have learned about each student. So our teachers take time to get to know every student and then create different possibilities for them to actually be engaged and learn versus be compliant.
I love that. Let's come over here and talk to some teachers and find out why they Quest and what they love about this program. You are?
My name is Melanie Hifley. I teach 6th and 7th grade science.
And so what do you love about Quest and the way they teach around here?
Teaching at Quest is a dream. We provide our students voice and choice, so they are able to be engaged and bought into their learning. That prevents us, the teachers, from lecturing at the front of the classroom for the entire class period, so we're able to actually meet one-on-one with students and figure out what each individual student's needs in order to be successful.
I love what you said, bought into their learning, because I think sometimes, and even for myself, when I was forced into learning, and that's not a way to do anything.
Same.
All right, and you are?
I'm Mary Trujillo. I teach math.
And what do you love about Quest and their way they teach around here?
So our math program is truly innovative. It's one of the top innovative math programs in the nation. We're fully self-paced, fully personalized, which means students choose when they move on. They can take as much time or as little time as they need to master each standard, and they decide when they're ready to move to the next thing.
Now, when your students are self-paced, do you find them getting further than they normally would?
Oh, absolutely. We have 7th graders in 10th grade math. We have 9th graders who have finished all of their high school math. So, yeah, they move on much more quickly than they would in a traditional school.
All right, we're just not going to take the teacher's word for it. Let's go over here and talk to some students. We've got Jazzy. And what do you think about the teaching module here at Quest?
I love it. I love that I can move as fast as I want. I'm a 9th grader and I have 11 high school credits. And I love that all of the teachers and students around me are so encouraging, and they really push me to work as hard as I can.
All right, let's come over here and talk to Ashita, probably the smartest guy in the room. What do you love about Quest?
So here at Quest, 7th, 8th, and 9th graders take computer science classes. And so in those computer science classes, you learn things such as an operating system, Python, JavaScript, what abstraction is, how does software work, how does binary work, what is binary, and sort of how we can apply those to our everyday life to get a head start.
All right, let's go over and talk to my man, and it's Ethan, right?
Yes.
And what do you love about Quest Academy?
I love how wherever you are in learning, the teacher will meet you there. So if you learn a little bit slower than most, then the teacher will help you still learn, and the teacher will help you excel if it's possible for you.
Nobody gets left behind here at Quest, right?
Right.
And let me just do something real quick. Raise your hand if you've already got some college credit. Early high school credit, yeah. See, once again, I feel like I'm not the smartest man in the room, but that's okay. But do me, I'm always good at this. Quest Academy, make some noise!
Those kids are having a good time. I love it. Yeah. Making Casey feel very welcome there. That's great.